Top story at 11 a.m. Exactly 12 months back, at the peak of Delhi's winter, Arvind Kejriwal was threatening to disrupt the Republic Day parade. A year later, he's playing hurt for not being invited to one. Sources have told Headlines Today that the Aam Aadmi Party chief is angry at not being invited to the Republic Day parade. He believes that as a former chief minister, he's being snubbed by not being invited to the parade that Obama will be attending. Sources have also told us that Arvind Kejriwal was himself keen to attend the parade.
यहाँ पे लोग आना चाहते हैं, उनको सबको बैरिकेड पे रोका जा रहा है और कई लोगों को पुलिस सेलेक्टिवली पिकअप करके बस में ले जाती है और पूरी तरह से पीट रही है। ये जनतंत्र है क्या? ये गणतंत्र दिवस मनाएंगे क्या ये लोग? लानत है ऐसी सरकार के ऊपर।
Joining me on the phone line is Headlines Today's Ankit Tyagi and Deputy Editor Gaurav Sawant. Ankit, coming to you first. Arvind Kejriwal is clearly miffed at not being invited to the Republic Day parade.
Well, that's right. That's what the sources, in fact, within the party are telling us. In fact, when you privately speak to Arvind Kejriwal also, he was very keen on going to the Republic Day parade, and he also said that if protocol allows, then he should have been sent an invitation. As of now, he's saying that this is, as the ex-chief minister, also he has been an MLA. He believes that he thought that there will be an invitation that would be extended to him, and he and along with his entire family were very keen to go and visit the Republic Day parade.
Gaurav, exactly 12 months back at the peak of Delhi's winter, Arvind Kejriwal was threatening to disrupt the Republic Day parade. Now, do you think that he's playing hurt at not being invited to the parade?
Sources in the Ministry of Defence tell us, Amita, that strictly as per protocol, a former chief minister is not invited to the Republic Day parade. A sitting chief minister gets the courtesy. A sitting chief minister is invited for the Republic Day parade. So that is why my sources in the Ministry of Defence tell me, as far as the parade on Rajpath is concerned, for V1 and V2 enclosures, which are for the VVIPs, it is only strictly as per protocol, and Arvind Kejriwal, as a former chief minister, if at all gets an invite, it has to be at the Chhatrasar Stadium, and that is the parade that is organized by the Delhi government and not by the union government. So there are two parades every year on Republic Day. So Delhi is also a state. So it is for the state administration, the Delhi administration, to respond as far as the invitation for Chhatrasar Stadium is concerned for the Delhi parade. But for the national parade, where the US President Barack Obama is the chief guest, for that parade, as per protocol, Arvind Kejriwal does not make the cut.
Also joining me from the national capital is Headlines Today's Kamaljeet Sandhu. Kamal, do you think that this move was deliberate attempt by the government, or do you think now the government will extend an invite to the former chief minister?
Well, Arvind Kejriwal wanting to rub shoulders with the likes of Barack Obama is not something which is new, but obviously BJP, the function where we're standing right now, Dr. Harshvardhan is attending that party function, but definitely Kiran Bedi is expected in some time from now. But what we do expect to hear from our BJP sources is very clear. This is the man who wanted to disrupt 26 January celebrations last year. There was a huge dharna outside the Rail Bhavan, and obviously he's calling this entire function an elitist function of sorts. But now he's wanting to be part of that particular parade, want to rub shoulders with Barack Obama. This is something which is not going to go down really well with the BJP at this point of time. But definitely as per protocol, also saying as part of the former chief minister, he's not really extended that particular invitation. So this is going to be part of the certain politics which is going to be played out. And remember, it's not just Arvind Kejriwal, it is also about Sheila Dikshit, it's also about former chief ministers who could have been part of the program, but they are not. As per the protocol, it's the state government and obviously LG at this point of time who can really extend that particular invitation to Arvind Kejriwal. So he would be invited for the state function, but not for the main Republic Day celebration.
All right, Kamal, stay on with us. Let's listen into Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal once again and what he had to say on this.
यहाँ पे लोग आना चाहते हैं, उनको सबको बैरिकेड पे रोका जा रहा है और कई लोगों को पुलिस सेलेक्टिवली पिकअप करके बस में ले जाती है और पूरी तरह से पीट रही है। ये जनतंत्र है क्या? ये गणतंत्र दिवस मनाएंगे क्या ये लोग? लानत है ऐसी सरकार के ऊपर।
Ankit, what about other chief ministers? Now, have other chief ministers like Sheila Dikshit, has she also been invited, or she hasn't been invited to the Republic Day parade?
Amita, just for the clarity of our viewers, that soundbite that was being played was from the last year when Arvind Kejriwal, in fact, had done that dharna at the Railway Bhavan. As far as the other chief ministers are concerned, Sheila Dikshit, remember, is also a former governor. She was a minister in the cabinet of Rajiv Gandhi. So if she gets an invitation, it's not only because she was a former chief minister. We yet don't know whether she has been invited or not, but Sheila Dikshit clearly, as an ex-governor and as an ex-cabinet minister, if she's extended an invitation, that probably might be the cause. Gaurav would be able to shed more light on whether the ex-governors and cabinet ministers do get an invite. But as of now, we do not have any confirmation whether she has been invited or not. But yes.
All right, Ankit, stay on with us. Also joining me on the phone line is BJP leader Jagdish Mukhi. Sir, what is your reaction on Arvind Kejriwal? He is reportedly miffed at not being invited to the Republic Day parade.
I think everything has been done as per protocol. Protocol, accordingly, it has all been done. Never it has been all ex-chief ministers invited as he was invited as chief minister. I think his expectations are not correct. And at him, or more of that, I would like to say, as a chief minister, he said, money is being wasted on celebrating 26th of January. It is a source of entertainment for few of the persons. Such filthy words were said about our national function. And the CM who says, I am an anarchist, I do not believe in any law, I do not agree to the constitution, I do not believe in conventions, he has no right to say something about law to the others who does not abide by law or constitution or the conventions.
Mr. Mukhi, do you think that this move was deliberate by the government, that Arvind Kejriwal was deliberately left out?
No, not at all. Everything is as per the protocol.
So you think that he's playing the hurt card, he's playing the victim card of not being invited?
He's used to tell all such lies.
Mr. Mukhi, what do you think? What changed in last 12 months? Earlier, as you said, that he used to say that Republic Day celebrations are only for the elite class. Now he is reportedly miffed at not being invited.
No, I say it is only because he is playing simple politics. He knows how to be in the news. You people are taking up his issue because he knows how to remain in the public press, media. Only for that purpose he has done it. Okay?
All right, Mr. Jagdish Mukhi, that was BJP leader Mr. Jagdish Mukhi. Thank you very much for speaking to Headlines today. Kamal, coming to you now, we heard Mr. Jagdish Mukhi, the BJP leader, saying that Arvind Kejriwal was lying, and he always had said that he maintained that Republic Day parade is only for the elite class. Now, what do you think that he changed his mind now?
Well, politics can't really be far away, especially when elections are around, and even though this is a matter of 26th January, Republic Day, a national day for that matter, we do see a lot of politics happening about it. Definitely BJP is not going to be impressed with Arvind Kejriwal's claims, saying that he's an anarchist, he's been somebody who creates disorders. He was the one who was actually protesting against 26th January last year, and now he wants to be part of this entire function, rub shoulders with Barack Obama. This is something that BJP is not really going to be liking. And obviously there seems to be a war of words, not just about Arvind Kejriwal and Narendra Modi and Kiran Bedi. This is obviously beyond that. It's also a matter of prestige, and obviously the entire function and focus at this point of time is on the US President Barack Obama. It's not on Arvind Kejriwal. But yes, Arvind Kejriwal is not too far away from controversy himself. He's been making those statements, and obviously he's wanting to go and say that if protocol does allow, he would want to be part of that particular function. And this is also a matter of profile in that particular sense, to rub shoulders with the most powerful man in the world. But definitely a lot of politics happening right now between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party.